Oh my goodness. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Aquaba, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today's the 1st of December and I've always wanted to do a Vlogmas. We'll see how it goes. But the first thing obviously, is obviously towards the end of the day and I've only just started decided to start recording. I've done quite a few things already this morning, but that's okay. So what I need to do first of all is go and fix this camera. Fix this screen. As you can see, my camera is broken or cracked. So what I'm going to go and do right now, it's just catching 2:45. I'm going to go and try and see if I can fix this camera and hopefully that'll be fixed for me just to continue on my day. And I also go and buy some notebooks for work and some plantain for Ava. So come along with me on the first day of Christmas. Yeah, on the 1st day of December. All right, catch you in the memento. I just went to the shop. And then I asked them to fix it and they told me £90 because it's 11 Pro Max. It's 11 Pro Max. Yes, darling.
So let me do the answer. When you see any of these white things.
Yeah, anyways. So we're going to go to another shop and see if they're charging the same price, which I probably would because I live in the country and they're just ridiculously priced, really. Hiya. Do you fix screen phones? Do you fix phone screen? This is a 11 Pro Max.
Yeah, we do.
How much do you charge?
iPhone 11 Pro Max, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay. No worries. Thank you. Oh, that's lovely.
This one and this.
Oh, it's very lovely. Come on, muchacho.
There was a blue phone.
Oh, that's lovely. So, yeah, I'm not going to pay £90 to get this phone fixed because really and truly I wanted to get a new phone in the new year anyways. It's just annoying that it's cracked. So what I am going to do is probably buy the screen on eBay or Amazon and try fix it myself. And then obviously get a new phone in the new year if that doesn't work out very well. So right now we're going to buy plantain for this little madam that didn't want to leave the house because she was stuck watching kids on YouTube. Look at her. You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's happy now, but when we was in the house she didn't want to leave. But anyways, we're going to buy some plantain and then I wanted to get some notebooks. I'm not sure where I'll get it from now. Maybe B&M. Did you see if B&M's got notebooks? Yeah, sometimes the notebooks in B&M is quite expensive. Right, let's see if B&M's got notebooks for me, mama, and then we're going to get your plantain crisps. Oh, plantain, I should say. Hey, look at this cube. Oh, there's only one person till, that's why. Right. Let's go. Ava absolutely is obsessed with hippos. He's selling this in B&M for £10. Oh goodness. Sorry, she doesn't even care. She's going to play the dog toys. She just likes toys. But knowing her, and I know her, she'll love that. Nothing. Come on. Hold my hand.
Daisy love it. And Roxy.
Yeah. Our neighbours doggies. Oh lordy, I've come down the wrong aisle. Trying to avoid toys as much as I can. Didn't obviously do a good job.
Stop. Come. Oh my goodness. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do about fixing this screen by myself. This is wild. Alright, come baby, we just need to get phone books. Notebooks.
No. What? I want to see it.
Okay, Avie, we can't look at that right now. Water World. Hatch your own water pets.
Can I see it?
Oh wow. No, we can look at it later. Remember, it's Christmas, so if you're good.
No, for Christmas a long time.
Oh, well.
When I did my birthday.
Oh, well. Sorry, love. It's all about having patience. Oh, sorry, love. Sorry.
Oh, no, love. Don't let love.
You don't. Do you look like my love? Is that what you asked me?
Yeah.
Yes. You're my love.
I'm not. I'm not your love.
Oh, well, that's a bit sad, isn't it? Come on, let's go, love. Evie, come on. No, come on.
Mommy.
Oh, for goodness sake. This is what happens when I just want to leave her in the shop. Sorry, thank you. Come on, Evie, please, quickly. I just came in here for a notebook. Now I can't flipping leave. Oh, maths practice. She's getting good at maths. Get her some maths books to write down some words. And do the ones that we've got at home first, and then we'll focus on these other ones. I just want a notebook. I just want a cheap notebook just to jot in things when I have my clients and they're doing so much chatting. I just need to write down things to remember, because I get asked so many questions and half the time I don't know what to ask them. I don't know the answer to them. Beauty is being you. Oh, Beinamz, being you. Look, so it's being you. This is such a cool little notebook. Yeah. Look at this, Avie. Look how cool this is.
Yeah, good for you.
Oh my God. Did you hear that? You think your kids got no manners? Yeah, come see mine. Yeah. Come and find mine. The manners that we have here. If I talk to her, if I say something, they tell me I'm being mean. Yeah. Alright, let me get these books and get out of here. Because you can't even see me, guys. So, yeah, let me go and get out one of these books and go and get some plantain. Skin a bit. So, yeah, we're back home. Oh my goodness, this camera is horrible. Yes, so now we're back home and we've bought some few bits for Avie to make her slime with.
Yes,
so I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna put on her channel, because yes, she has a channel. Gotta put them to work. Yeah, okay. Bought some plantain. I like my plantains to be a bit black, because when it's sweeter when it's black, but each to their own. If you like a yellow, you like a yellow. That's nice. And then what else did I get? Got some candle. Beinamz got really nice candles. Annoyingly, I bought the unwaxed version, but annoyingly.
Listen to me. This camera is why is it frosty on this?
Because my screen is broken, Avie. But yeah, I bought candles. These ones they smell so nice when B&M. They're called Unwind, and I bought this one. Avie, smell it.
It smells nice.
It smells nice, yeah. Avie approved, so yeah, we got that one, and then got an unwaxed version as well. So when this finishes, we just melt it or break it into there. I'm gonna make some slime. Yeah. This month I'm hoping just to do some. 1 second, baby. This month I'm hoping just to do some house tidying up. So things around the house, just getting ready for Christmas, and hopefully do some painting. We'll see what happens, because I'm not really keen on painting.
I have something to show you.
Right.
So,
and Avie's gonna show some.
This one.
All right,
and
wait a
we
second.
have this too.
Wait,
and
just wait. You're gonna do. That's been my 1st of December day vlog. Not much to see here, but yeah. I've got the notebook that I'm gonna use to write notes down for when I have my clients. But yeah, that's it. That's the 1st of December. We're gonna wind down, wind up, wind down, and then just chill and get ready for bed. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the other side.
Bye.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye, I said.